Alright, this is the video to show you how loud, how powerful the speaker of VIBESQUARE and VIBE5XS is. Alright, okay, even for a 1000 to 2000 square feet place, you can actually blast the place. Alright, here you go. Let me show you where the speaker is.
And I'm betting you like girls to give love to girls and stroke your little ego. I bet you I'm guilty, your honor. That's just how we live in my genre. Who in the hell done paved the road wider? There's only one blow and one rider. I'm a damn shame, order more champagne, pull a damn hamstring, tryna put it on ya. Let your lips spin back around, come up. Slow it down, baby, take a little blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go.
So I'm 15 meters away already. Alright, you still can hear them. Okay, hope you like it.